Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial truck sales, service, and secure truck parking. I'm very excited to show you this 2013 HINO 268 powered by HINO's J08E-TC I6. What is that? That's an inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel that's very reliable. It has 269,000 miles. What? 269,000 miles? Well, you got to put it in perspective. If you look at the lifespan of how many miles you can stack on a truck like this, 269 ain't so bad. Here's a quick history on this truck. We bought it in 2018 with 176,000 miles on it when it came off a lease from Ryder. We then turned around and sold it to a local customer that I've been doing business with for the last 25 years. And we've serviced it for that customer during that time. And then we just took it back in on trade with 269,000 miles on it, reconditioned it, serviced and inspected it, and now it's ready for you. Right here, you're looking at a 3,000-pound capacity tuck under liftgate by Maxon. It is level ride. It has a big aluminum deck measuring 60 inches deep by 79 inches wide, and it is power up, power down. This also comes with a ramp. A liftgate ramp combo is rare, so this is very refreshing to see. So depending upon what your application is, you get the best of both worlds here. This FRP constructed cargo box by the Morgan Corporation measures 26 foot long. It's 102 inches wide on the exterior, which gives you about 98 inches of width on the inside. That's important so you can stack 2 pallets side by side with plenty of room. We also measure about 97 inch on the interior height. It comes equipped with hardwood floors, aluminum roof, E-track, tie-down slats, and it is dock high. Keep in mind that if you need cargo box modifications, we can do it here in our own shop. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something you're looking for, just down here below is our soft pull digital credit app that will not ding your credit. You can fill it out on your computer, hit send, and we'll be happy to let you know what we can do for you. In case you're wondering, at 25,950 pounds of GVWR, this truck is non-CDL. And now we'll peek into the cab interior. Hey, it's a work truck, so you don't get a whole lot, but it is in nice condition. Everything functions exactly like it's supposed to. You get cold AC, power mirrors, AM, FM, tilt, cruise control. You have an air ride driver's side seat that's very nice right here, and it's also equipped with a backup alarm. Now let me ask you, do you like this video and want to see more just like it? Well, you gotta let us know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Share it. Hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us what you think. Now, if this truck is not exactly what you're looking for, you got to check out our website at Truck-n-Trailer.com. We always stock multiple 26-foot, 24-foot box trucks, different miles, different year models, different specifications. So check out our website and holler at us if you have any questions at all. And here's HINO's very own inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine that I was telling you about. All your big engines are going to be inline and 6-cylinder. That's just the way they do it. This engine model has had a very good run. It's been really popular. Now here in our shop, it has been serviced. It has been inspected. We plug in our scanners to check any codes. We make sure we don't have any leaks. We get the filters changed. We want to make sure you're ready to go to work right away in this truck. Now, I always like to show my customers the undercarriage, the frame, to show, hey, there's no rust on here. Folks, don't go buy a rusty truck. You're going to regret it. It's going to cost you tons of money later. Just look how clean this is. And there's our 52-gallon fuel tank. Folks, have you ever been to Amarillo and eaten at the big Texan steakhouse and had that 72-ounce steak? Well, that's how much meat these tires have. These things are deep. Remember, if you have any questions, give us a phone call or check out our website. Either way, we'd love to hear from you. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. My name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.